In this video, you will learn how to start up the RO system. Slowly open the cold water inlet valve on the plumbing, as well as the T adapter. Then connect the power adapter to the RO module and plug the power transformer into the wall outlet. When power is provided, the RO module will beep and all 4 lights on the face of the module will flash 3 times. If no error is detected, then the system will automatically flush itself for approximately 30 seconds and then water will stop running to drain. Next, open the RO faucet and allow the water to run for approximately 10 minutes to flush the cartridges. Don't be alarmed if you see black carbon fines coming out of the RO faucet. This is normal and will eventually clear. At this time, check the system thoroughly for leaks, and if any are found, close the inlet shutoff valve and unplug the power and correct the issue. After 10 minutes of flushing, close the RO faucet to make sure the booster pump stops operating. Now it's time to reset the life of the cartridges. Press and hold the reset key for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. The blue light above the 3-in-1 icon will start flashing. Then press and hold the reset key for 3 seconds until you hear a double beep. This means the cartridge life has been reset. Then press and hold the reset key for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Then press the select button as the blue light above the RO icon will start flashing. And then press and hold the reset key for 3 seconds until you hear a double beep. Clean the installation area and your RO system is now ready to use.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.